smoked, thick, beautiful bacon. And I had some Vermont seriously sharp Cabot cheese. But I'll cook this bacon in here. Some of them. Heat the muffin up. Put the cheese in the muffin. I'm not going to cut it open. I just cook the muffin whole without putting anything in it. Then I'll put the cheese and the cooked bacon in there. And I'll drain some of this stuff off. And have the bacon in there. Have a egg McMuffin without the egg, man. Get back to you. Oiling up the utensil sheath. The bacon fat that was on my fingers. I don't give a crap. I use lubrication. Kevlar. Resist abrasion and fire a bit. So, look at that. Can't leave this out though, the bears will get it. I'm gonna put this on right in the fire. Start cooking this up. Get the muffin ready. We're gonna be good, man. We'll be real good. Let me get this puppy on there. Yeah. I have more coffee in my egg McMuffin. And we'll be good, man. You hear that? Sizzling? That's nice. I did have a spatula here. Got it in my little haversack. I don't know if I'll get to it this morning. Got things to do. I gotta wash up, change. I gotta go to the event thing. We're all outdoors anyways. I have some bagpipes, gonna fire off volleys and stuff. Black powder. I might make a little spatula out of this. But I think I have one. Should have one with this. I don't know why it's not in there. But yeah. That's what we're doing here, man. I got plenty of bacon left. I'll put that back with the cheese. That's a sweet sound, man. And just on a little note with the bacon, sacred bacon. Looking through my YouTube stuff, like what pops up. Mega Woodwalker Kevin died last year, maybe 7 months ago. He's camping right in an area where I go and my son goes. Jeez. He got back to me too. I replied, said, hey, this looks real familiar. I could look at the rivers, I could tell what it was. You know, he did pass away, you know. He's a great guy. And someone made a comment, oh, he's not going to make it back 50 if he keeps eating stuff like that on that actual video. Someone wrote back, he said, yeah, he just died, man. Died of a heart attack. So, life is short. Be nice. Never know, man. I mean, that's what I'm up here for today. So, I had like tears in my eyes coming up there. My buddy's gone, but I will see him up yonder. I have a lot of faith. I'll be up there with Jesus. Sitting by the fire. We'll be having some coffee, bacon. With all my old friends there, man. Hell yeah. Getting a little spiritual. That's the way it is, man. I'm not afraid to die. I don't want to suffer, but yeah, I think you never know. I got something going on. I don't know what it is. I haven't gone to the doctor. I gotta have it checked out. But let's see what happens, man. This is just diverting into a different thing, but that's what I'm up here for. So it's heavy on my mind, and yeah, go out, enjoy yourself, have a good time. We don't need all this fighting. You don't need all these headaches with all this stuff going on. You know, I'm not worried about the animals. People got to be nice, man. That's all. Just want to make a living, have a family. That's all. So, anyways, come out, camp. I don't care what you do. I don't care if you go for a walk in the park with your dog. Just get out, have a good time, man. So, yeah, I gotta keep an eye on that. I don't want it to burn because it's right in the fire, but I gotta see if I find that spatula. I don't know if I can make one in about 2 minutes. I don't know about that, but we'll see. I'll get back to you. Kind of funny, I made this at Paul's place. Quick, like real quick, because mine burnt. Cool. Made 2 up there by chance. My things burn up there or something happens. So it's funny, we're talking about it. Made this up here up north. It's nothing fancy, strong though, but I gotta go check my bacon, so take care. Yeah, you son of a gun there. I'll take this out. Okay. Fire starter right here, baby. Oh yeah. Take that out. I'm gonna put this aside. That up. A little bit. This could ignite on me. The oil, have to be careful. I'm gonna open this up, put the cheese in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and toasty. See, that's all you need in your pack right there. You know, if you need that for anything, you can cook on fire. I cook steak on there, fire. I cooked it on grate in here. But, oh yeah, look at that, man. Basically, it's done. I'm just toasting it up a little bit. Got some more coffee ready. Heat this up. See how this is. Take my hat off here. You could still drink out of this. It's a tin cup. It's not, forget aluminum. Stainless steel, okay, but tin's not bad. That's teapot, coffee pot, whatever. Oh yeah. Ah, that's nice, man. Try this out. I could slice tomatoes with this old knife. Pour some water in this pan. Put it back in fire. Oh man, come on. Yeah. Good stuff, man. Cheese all melted in there. Outdoor style egg McMuffin without the egg. It's Thomas English muffin, but you can make anything you want. Some like Bonnick, or take some pizza dough out with you. Oh yeah. I think you forget a diet today, man. You know, usually in the morning when I get up, I have yogurt that I make, kefir now that I make, and I put some cinnamon, without the sugar, just cinnamon. Put that in. Then I put ground flax, mix that up, raw honey, oatmeal with cranberries and walnuts. I make that ahead of time, steel cup. So it lasts me about 5 days in the fridge. Mix that in there. Then I'll put half a banana, whatever fruit I have at the time. It could be peaches, could be my mulberries that I have in the freezer, strawberries I have in the freezer, blueberries I have in the freezer, or I can have the fresh fruit that's coming out now. I have pretty much for my breakfast enough for the year in my freezer. My freezer's running. I gotta call my daughter today, and they lost power, so they lost everything in the freezer. I have a generator, but I brought it to them. I can't depend on those shit because power goes out, gas stations go out, so. I'll get back to her.